Slice through tough cuts with a smile. The electric rotary cutter. Say goodbye to your fabric struggles with the Sailrite cordless rotary cutter. This nifty, battery-powered tool turns cutting fabric into a joyride. No more wrestling with scissors or pretending to be a fabric ninja. It tackles all fabric types and more, proving that it's not just a one-trick pony. Equipped with safety features that make your mom proud and multiple speed settings for those who like to live on the edge, this cutter is perfect for both home and job sites. No cutting mat needed. And trust us, it powers through material thicknesses that will leave you wondering if it secretly has superpowers. Check out our demonstration video to see this productivity superhero in action. Once you do, you'll want to grab one for yourself and turn fabric cutting from a chore into a delightful breeze. The Worksaw WX531 Brushless Compact Hand Circular Saw. The WX531 Brushless WORKSAW ready to cut through wood, thin metal, ceramic, plastics, and more with ridiculous ease. Whatever material you throw at it, it's game. Powered by a brushless motor, this little beast offers more runtime and longer motor life, so you can keep slicing and dicing without the fear of burning it out. Plus, with no pesky cords, it's free to roam wherever your next DIY disaster takes you. Slim, sleek design that fits perfectly in your hand, like it was meant to be there. 41mm max cutting capacity in a compact frame, small but mighty. Blazing fast with 6,900 per minute no-load speed for buttery smooth cuts. An LED light that guides you through dark corners like a mini lightsaber. Quick, no-hassle cutting depth adjustments to get just the right cut. Spindle lock button makes changing the blade easier than choosing your next project. Introducing the Cardi 202K. The marble cutter that turns granite into confetti. Watch it slice through slabs like a hot knife through butter, leaving a trail of sparkling dust in its wake. Whether you're crafting a fancy countertop or just showing off your cutting skills, this drill makes sure your marble is as smooth as your best one-liners. Get ready for a cutting-edge experience, because when it comes to marble, why just cut when you can dazzle? Combo Halter, the multi-position drill holder that's got your back. Introducing the Combo Halter ART 480000, the ultimate solution for your drilling dilemmas. This clever little gadget allows you to use your drill in any position, because let's face it, with a swivel range of 360 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, you can achieve those awkward angles without straining your back or your patience. It's like yoga for your drill. Plus, it features a Euronorm mount with a diameter of 43 mm, ensuring that your drill stays securely in place while you unleash your DIY creativity. Whether you're drilling straight holes, or just trying to impress your friends with your acrobatic drilling skills, the Combo Halter is here to help you nail it, literally. So, go ahead and put that drill to work, no matter how twisted the situation gets. The SYSLITE Cal-C cordless working light, the pint-sized hero that will brighten up your life, one project at a time. Compact? Absolutely, but don't let its small size fool you. This thing shines brighter than your best ideas. Whether you're squeezing into tight spaces or tackling hard-to-reach spots, it's got your back, and your front, and your sides, too. Need the light in a different direction? No sweat. The flexible design lets you swivel the lamp head any way you want, like some kind of acrobatic gymnast, ensuring your workspace is always perfectly lit. It's not just any light, it mimics daylight. So even when you're working late into the night or in a dim corner of the garage, you'll feel like you're out basking in the sun. Say goodbye to shadows and hello to full visibility with your new trusty sidekick. Introducing the Worksaw. your new best friend in yard work. Tired of wrestling with heavy limbs just to get them off the ground? Say goodbye to those back-breaking battles. The jaw saw is the world's first chainsaw designed to operate right on the ground or pavement. No more awkward lifting or balancing acts. Just roll it up to the tree debris and let it do the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't complain. With its unique design, you can effortlessly cut through branches while standing upright, making you feel like a lumberjack superhero whether you're tackling storm damage or just doing some garden tidying. The jaw saw turns a chore into a walk in the park. Just remember, the only thing you'll be lifting is your spirits as you wave goodbye to those pesky branches. Introducing the Rhino Cart from Ruby, your new best friend for transporting large format tiles, no extra tools required. Tile moving, boasting 4 360 swivel wheels that make maneuverability a breeze. Want to avoid an impromptu game of tile hockey? Fear not, it features a safety lock on the wheels to keep everything in place, so your tiles won't decide to embark on their own adventure. With large 160mm wheels, the Rhino Cart glides effortlessly over any surface, from smooth tiles to rocky roads. Weighing in as ultra-light and compact, it's got a 40 centimeters wide platform that can carry multiple tiles at once, up to a maximum thickness of 40 millimeters. It's built for serious work with a max load capacity of 250 kilograms and dimensions that can handle tiles measuring up to 1,800 by 1,200 by 40 millimeters. Plus, it comes with a rubber cover to protect your precious cargo. And, of course, it's compatible with Ruby's other transporters. Get ready to move those tiles like a pro. The Handjet Manual Printer, making axial and radial printing a breeze. Meet the 4-roller stabilizer EBS 260P513085, your best buddy for smooth printing on cylindrical surfaces. Whether you're going axial or radial, the EBS 260 falls under the mobile, handheld industrial inkjet printer category, offering non-contact marking on any surface, in any place, and at any angle. With print heights ranging from 8 to 58 millimeters, it's basically the superhero of on-the-go printing. Plus, its DoD technology makes sure you're always in control. Forget about limitations, this printer goes wherever you do. Introducing the DRM350R paper dispenser by Full Pack, a perfect blend of functionality and simplicity. What sets it apart? It features cutting blades for easy tearing and is made from durable steel for long-lasting use. Additionally, it is available in a countertop version with adjustable tilt for optimal positioning. This dispenser is specially designed for use with full-pack waste paper, making it an ideal choice for efficient paper management. Introducing the C30S, the MVP of HVAC cleaning. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The C30S offers not 1, not 2, but 5 cleaning modes to conquer every nook and cranny of your HVAC system. Whether it's steam, hot water, cold water, pulse cleaning, or ozone sterilization, this machine is ready for any mess life throws at it. Steam starts in just 30 seconds, and with a sizzling hot temperature of 130 to 150 degrees Celsius, it zaps away germs faster than you can say, "Clean air, please." Ozone also joins the party for an extra disinfection boost. With remote control right on the spray gun, you can switch between modes with the flick of a button. Cleaning has never been this fun, or this powerful. The Hole Cutter by Wolfcraft, Art. 375400, offers simplicity and precision for punching clean holes in stainless steel sinks. With its sharp cutting edges, it glides through metal effortlessly. Just a few turns of a 17 mm wrench, and you'll have precise holes up to 1 mm thick. It's a tool that brings ease, efficiency, and order, with a practical storage box to keep everything neat. Meet the EIBENSTOCK pipe cutter, your new partner for effortlessly handling plastic pipes up to 350 mm. Need a clean cut and chamfer in one go? This cutter's got you covered with its stable roller carriage and support block. Plus, the adjustable bevel width lets you fine-tune the cut like a chef seasoning a dish. It's so smooth, you'll wonder why you didn't start cutting pipes sooner.